Okay. Good evening, everybody. It's 7 p.m. Eastern Time, January the 13th. It's a Tuesday, and we're going to see what happens this evening here in the markets. NQ seems to be fading a bit since this high at 4 p.m. at the close. Slow fade. Gold seems to be grinding up from this low around 3:30. We're going to be approaching this IB low here at 6:08. We had a very rotational day in NQ. 200-point rotations. 200 points down, 200 points up, 200 points down. Roller coaster. But if you're trading the system, it was an awesome day. Who had a great day trading today? I certainly did. I made some money. No sound, huh? That's weird. Okay. I did. Test. How about now? How are we sounding? Okay. Excellent. So I gave away all the secrets to the markets. Sorry if you guys missed it. My sound wasn't working. All right. Well, I was talking about how gold was grinding up. We're coming to IB high here, IB low, and how we had these massive rotations on NQ today. Obviously, we had news, right? Big spike up, 100 points up, 200 points down, 200 points up, 200 points down. But if you were trading the system, we had a lot of really nice setups. This was one of the best ones here. First of all, we had this fade value or extreme off the weekly lower band. PDC short. Price discovery continuation long off the monthly upper band. VWAP bounce. It's pretty awesome. Tony had a big day. What were the trades on gold, Tony? What did you do? Tony, what did you did? Price discovery continuation. Return to value. Well, I forgive you, Tony. Tony's only been here for, going on 9 months now, so we'll forgive him. It's all right. He's a newbie here. You know, he's still figuring it all out. It's all right. $2,300. Learning the names of the setups. It's all good. Hey, whatever works, man. Hey, there you go. All right. So what I'm going to do for Asia here, guys, I like to drop an anchored VWAP here at the beginning of the Globex from Monday. That will continue on our VWAP, which we just rallied through. Let's get tick strike going here. Let's add gold to the mix. Buying up gold again. I don't have an entry, so I got to be patient. Three minis. Ooh, boy. Do you know what the notional value of three minis on gold is? Let's do the math. All right. So what? 1 point on one mini on gold is $100, right? 0.1 is $10. So 10 is $100. In gold, so it's $100 times 46.12, let's say. Okay. So one gold mini is a $460,000 notional position, but you had three. Tony had a $1.4 million position on today, guys. Baller. Actually, 1.38 if you want to get specific. Notional value. So if you could hold for a 1% move on gold with that position, you'd get 1% of 1.4 million, 1.38. Well, we just had a 10-point move, and it's still going. Not tired, is it? Hey, let's look at the yearly VWAP on gold here. What do you guys notice about the yearly chart or the daily chart and what happened? Oh, no, this is a 4-hour chart. Sorry. Let's go to the daily. Can't see it as good. This is the yearly VWAP on the 4-hour chart. We'll get more upside. Where do I get involved? Silver. Who's buying silver? Look what silver did earlier. And you can make some serious chatter. Mr. Three Minis on gold, scared of a little silver. I was trading silver full size minis in my cash account, Tony. Full size silver minis in my cash account. Made a nice cold hard 5Gs doing that. All right. It's the NQ of metals. Oh, we're at 88 here. It's a grind. Gold's building a little structure here. Very slow. So maybe we get a pullback to this vicinity. But it's just kind of going straight up. So thank you doing here. So we have a composite up here, 28. It'll be a little short if we get a rejection here on NQ. I took a little stab at 18 3/4. Nothing big. 2 micros. See if we can get a return to the 905 or VWAP. If we got a low volume area right here at 924. See if it holds. So short 1875. There we go. So 5 points here. Got bought up. Break even stop there. It's going to take me right out. Flat. Didn't take profits. I should have. And we'll take it again. Missed the entry there. All right. Looks like a PDC. But it's just kind of chopping around monthly upper band, which is done quite a bit today. Maybe flip long. I don't know. Very slow. Well, I got a little bit of a flip here. Let's see if I can get some continuation. I might be asking for too much here, and I should just be scalping this, but there we go. There we go. There's a little bit of movement. Start scaling out a little bit and see if we can get a run. And the problem here is we have a giant low volume node here, low trading area, but maybe we can cut through it. Still got 4. Take one off there. Put the rest at break even. See if we can get some movement. There was no sound that entire time. How long was I talking for? I just called out a beautiful PDC long, and I was hoping everybody grabbed it with me. You guys saw I was in a trade, right? At least on the screen. I was long gold. I must have hit the if you just touch my microphone, it mutes it. It's kind of annoying. I can touch it and readjust it and not realize I muted it. My entry was Fuego. Let's see. It was 12 spot 1. That was okay. Actually, it wasn't that great. Oh, we got one good gold trade. We were patient. We waited for the pullback. It took 15 minutes, almost 20 minutes to get that trade, but we got it. I'll be right back. No. Great. Really good trade. Why? Okay. Let's see where the next. We had 2 PDCs so far. We had one on NQ right there, and we had one on gold. It was right here with a back test of this composite LVN. It's a beauty, Clark. So 2 textbook trades, 2 price discovery continuations, setup number 1 out of the system. Textbook. Yep. I think it's orange. It's an orange line. Definitely orange. That would be yellow. This is orange. But I'm splitting hairs. Oh my God. There's a cat crawling up the back of my chair. Oh. So we've been having the bathroom remodeled, so they've been stuck in the guest bedroom all day. So they're extra needy. He just stepped on the stream. She just stepped on the stream deck. So we could get a short up here. This is IB mid. I think I would like it to see it go a little higher before we short it, maybe the 20s. It was a great trade. I don't see any bounce zone yet. I see us coming from this side of value, maybe to the other side of value. But on the Globex session, we're in price discovery. NQ looks like it's balancing out. Is the short on NQ back on? We're up to short 16 and a half. Let's see if we can break through this, unless this is just grinding. It seems like we got a pretty flat VWAP. I would like to see us crack a little bit, go right back to that VWAP. So we'll see. So we have a little LVN here at this 14 area. So I'm hoping we can break that. And then I think we'll go back to the VWAP, 905. So I can get a 10-pointer here if things work well. There we go. Come on. So this is the upper band right here, and this is monthly upper band. However, we've been trading through this a couple of times. Let's see if it can hold. If it cracks, then I'm positioned above the crack. If it bounces, I'll get out. But I like it. I kind of like it. We'll see what happens. Delta's a little weak. No real buyers yet. flat, break even. Now maybe we go long again. Okay, flat. Oh, look at that. On gold, missed that one. Came back to the close to the band again. We're kind of flat here. It's not really strong trending conditions. We got a flat VWAP. We've been going sideways since 7-Eleven. So this isn't really the type of PDC where you want. This is more PDC. So Rick, this is kind of sideways trading at the moment. It's more of a balance area that's been formed here. So this is starting to look more like a fade on this profile that we've built since the close around 4 o'clock. But it could hold here. It could absolutely hold here, but it's not really a great place to trade either way. It's just really slow. ES is already back down by VWAP. Delta is kind of bleeding out here. I think if it cracks, it's going to go, but no real buyers. But the selling is being absorbed, it appears. There it goes. There we go. See if it continues. There we go. This is point of control. See if we can get back down to that VWAP at 904. This is the trade I've been waiting for. 904 would be my target. Let's say 906. I have it backwards, don't I? Couple more points. Don't bounce here. You have the point of control here, so this is a high traffic area. PDC means price discovery continuation. Well, I took partial profits, but it looks like I'm going to get stopped out of the remainder here. 15 and a quarter is my entry right here. Stop at break even. Almost a VWAP bounce. Well, Roadrunner, it's, there's always another trade. You sit here long enough, you realize that there's always a new opportunity. So I don't beat myself up. I flatten trades that wind up working. It's okay. There's always another trade. Doesn't matter that much, especially in this system. Now, if I were like a ICT guy and I was waiting all week for this setup and I got out of it and it did its thing, now I got to wait another week for another setup. Yeah, that would be pretty agonizing. But with our system, we have tons of setups. So much opportunity. This could be the back test. Do I add? It's tempting. Why not? All right, I'm out. Flat. Come on now. Flat. Gold selling off. That was it failed to make a new high there. Gold looks like it could be a good that's the IB mid. Here we go. Come on. Flat bragging. Flatten bragging. Look at how easy it is for me to flatten my trade. No problem. We get the return to value. VWAP bounce. IB low on gold. Or do we keep trending up? We went up to value area high on the previous session here, today's session. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Chuck's saying the VWAP bounce lines up nicely with this low volume node, but we might not get there. Not enough action. Very light volume on NQ. Very, very light. We're in a 24-point range here. If that. Let's go gold. Let's go lower. What do you think? Who's coming with me? Here we go. Come on. Keep going. Got almost 20 ticks down here. Let's get one more flushacito. I'm going break even on this thing. We can get down to 11. 30 ticks, 3 points. Come on. Hey, Corey's here. Corey, you're late. We've been waiting here 50 minutes for you to show up just so we could take a trade. Tempting to close this trade here. Went from 20 ticks to 10 ticks. Yeah, thank you. Still like the short. Oh, sure. Hitting golf balls and cooking on the grill while I'm over here slaving away on these charts. Right back to that VWAP from that exhaustion candle. Sellers are in control. Still. Would you look at that? Would you look at it? Just look at it. Just look at it. The DOM is so thin on gold. Flat. All right, guys. Well, we had a couple good trades. I had this PDC long, this little tiny short attempt at a return to value. Weak. I don't know, it was like 4 points. And then on gold, we had this PDC long here. And then I took a return to value short right here. That's all I got. That is all I have tonight, guys. It's the best I got for you. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you got a good trade or two. Slow markets, slow trades. But if you're looking for some real fun, tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m., Chuck and I will be trading NQ for the market open. Come join us. 9:30 a.m. we start sharp in the premium Discord. YouTube goes live at 10 a.m. With a delayed feed. You can check us out there. Couple minute delayed feed. Snow, it's going to be in the WAP. So you're going to go back over to where you joined the free trial, Snow. Let me give you a link for that. Did I put that? Also, make sure you go through the watch the video. Actually, watch this video. That's going to be better. This will show you everything you need to know, Snow. Start here. Watch that video. That'll show you exactly where the course is, how to go through it, all your things you need to see and do. That'll walk you through everything, okay? Awesome. And welcome to the group. All right, guys, have a wonderful evening. If you're going to keep trading, manage your risk. Of course, stay sharp. You guys can head on over to the gold trading room if you're not done and you want to keep trading. Here's the link to that. You can share your mic, share your screens, collaborate. I think Josh is in there right now, so you guys are welcome to trade with him. And let's see. That's all I got for you. So I'll see everybody in the morning. Have a wonderful night, and thanks for joining me this evening.